look at this. I think it's, oh yeah, it's super tender. It's actually, fall off the bone. Delicious stuff. So today we're going to do some braised beef. I've got some nice beef here with a nice bone there, you can see. Beautiful vegetables underneath. I suppose it's kind of Mediterranean-ish. We've got oregano, olives, thyme and things like that, and they're tomato based. It's really, really beautiful. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got my beef here. Beef with the beef bone. You know, nice and kind of chunky pieces there. What we're going to do is, I'm not cutting it, we're going to cook it just like this. So let's get to the pan. I want to brown this off first. So I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to drop these in. And we're on an above medium heat. Let's make some room for that one there, that last piece. And just get that in, perfect. Salt. Little bit of black pepper. Gonna go about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, and when I flip it over, I'm gonna add some more salt and pepper. Wonderful stuff. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so off goes the heat. Let's swap this over. Gonna use this nice cast iron that I can get in the oven. Let's drop our seasoned browned beef in. Looking good. All of that fat can go in there. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to start to add some ingredients, tomatoes, garlic, a few veg and things like that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to build this up with some, well, a selection of vegetables that you like actually. Now, if you had a big enough pan, this pan wasn't big enough for me to fry and you could have just done it in the whole thing. That's why I done it in a separate pan. So look, carrots, nice and chunky. Start to get them in. Like I say, anything goes now. Get what you want in here. Nice big chunky carrots. Potatoes. Again, you know, nice and chunky. Bit of zucchini. Chunky cut again. Celery would be nice in this. I don't have any celery with me today. Onion, sliced onion. A ton of garlic. I've got like 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic there. We're not going to go light on garlic, plenty of garlic. Some bell peppers. Now if you've got some mushrooms or something like that, they could also go in, couldn't they? A bit more seasoning of salt. Some black pepper. Here I've got some green olives. Now if you had black olives, they would also work, wouldn't they, really nicely. A couple of teaspoons of dried thyme. A couple of teaspoons of oregano. And then I've got 2 cans here of tomatoes. They were whole, but what I've done is I've just crushed them with my hand. And I'm just gonna grab some stock. And then we're gonna add some stock to this. So I'm using chicken stock, but you could use a beef stock or a vegetable stock if you want. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Right, that's gonna go in the oven, preheated oven, so get your oven on. I'm gonna put that in for like an hour and a half. 90 minutes. at 230, which I think is about 445, 446. That is going to be beautiful. Oh, by the way, the lid is going to go on. Okay, so that's an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes maybe. This is super, super hot, this thing. Oh yeah. And there we go, still bubbling away. But yeah, perfectly cooked. Everything's nice and soft in there. Now the truth is about the meat, isn't it? Let's get that out. And there you go, absolutely wonderful. That is super tender. Now, depending on the quality of the beef or the meat that you've used might depend on how long you need to cook that in the oven. But yeah, that is, oh, I just love that. I love that. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.